Hey guys.
Hey.
Nada personal, son solo mis reglas. ¿Hay tiempo para subirnos a unas vacaciones? Solo bosque de verdad es mi favorito.
El ataque iniciará en 30 segundos.
Es bueno volver a mi territorio de vez en cuando.
Yo.
We have double sniper.
Hell yeah. Love that double sniper. I'm gonna jump that in two. She has no hook.
Oblíguenos a salir de ahí.
Where'd she go? Got her.
Nice.
Oh. Backing up for heals? Okay.
Hanzo.
Okay, Hanzo in 3. Oh, he's dead. Nice.
Just a Lucio.
Oh, there's a tracer over here.
Habilidad máxima
Fuck.
está recargándose.
Yeah.
Escolten la saga.
Weirdo. Wait, how am I low? What the fuck?
They're running Monkey Zarya.
How am I low? I need healing. Oh, stop Anna behind you! Jesus!
You could say it when you're like not 10 health.
I was
that'd be
I was
great.
already low and I thought you saw me.
I didn't.
And then I was like, okay, she's healing other people, and then a tracer came from our spawn door. I normally would agree with you, but
Hello? Where are we? Where are we, dude?
oh, what the fuck? Out of there. Hi, Bob.
Dude, go Reaper or something. They have no
They have
like.
grab. They have grab.
stun.
They beat it for some reason.
Okay. Could just do 1,000 damage to me in
Oblíguenos a salir de ahí.
3/4 of a second. It's winnable if you play slow and stay alive.
Winnable. It's only two. Hanzo Zarya.
Yeah, hold on. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna get this Hanzo in 3. 3, 2, 1.
Where's that tracer?
Oh my god. What
They're
the
on
fuck?
fire.
I would get Nana if I could see.
How much damage can Winston take in the 3 milliseconds? it
Yo,
takes
Anna,
to
give it.
40 health. Hanzo.
What?
Oblíguenos. Mi habilidad máxima está recargándose.
Wait, how did you kill that?
Mi habilidad máxima está recargándose.
Hey Zarya, that's very cool. Thank you for your contribution.
La carga es mía y está en movimiento. Bob está listo. Mi habilidad máxima está lista.
I didn't want to get out of mech.
Anna one.
The fuck?
Bro, what the I have blade again, almost.
We have Nano? Oh no, we don't
I
have
don't know.
any.
That's okay.
What's he?
They
We're
have
just free
B
pushing right
again.
now. We're just free pushing right now, so just chill. Oh,
I'm gonna
okay.
sleep him. I'm gonna sleep him. If he
Okay,
jumps on me
okay.
again.
Sleep him, sleep him, sleep him.
I can't.
They have grab,
He's
they
in
have grab, they have
bubble.
grab.
Leave him.
Nice, nice, nice. Actually, we can kill this guy. Guys back here? Oh, okay. He's gonna do that, I guess.
I'll just sleep him again. Hold up. Okay. He's sleeping.
Haha.
Carga se está moviendo. Hay que protegerla.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. Kill monkey? Kill monkey? Monkey gets you? Monkey killable? Got Anna?
Nice. Focus
Sorry,
over the
sleeping.
cart.
Leave her.
Kill whoever's
Okay.
on cart.
Okay. Nice job. Ah, thank you.
My bad. I should have healed you.
Kill Lucio. Okay, got him. Okay, next, May. May's one. Okay, got May. Monkey.
Reaper's weak.
Reaper.
Sánate. La carga está bajo mi protección.
Puntuación 3-0. Cambiando de lados. Prepara tus defensas. Selecciona a tu héroe.
Nada personal, son solo mis reglas. Ey,
Digan el plan que si se meten en problemas.
Enemigos a 30 segundos.
mi habilidad máxima está recargándose. Ey,
5, 4,
ey,
3,
de acuerdo.
Defiende el objetivo A.
¡Tomen esto!
What are you doing, Diva?
I'm breaking balloons. What are you
Pop in
talking?
the balloons, dude. That's how you win the game.
Bye, Zanteed.
Holy fuck. Thank you.
He's shielding.
Where's that widow? What the fuck? No, I fucking slept her, dude.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Nothing I do matters.
Mi habilidad máxima está recargándose.
Oh, did anything die?
No.
Oblíguenlos a salir de ahí.
Body shatter.
Nice.
I'm gonna hit a nade from behind. You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Everyone,
jump.
everyone. It's not everyone, but it's a lot.
Ah! Ah! Thank you.
Run, 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 run.
I'm a big fan of that strategy.
Well, not a bit.
Let's hold back here for Nanoblade. You can do it off the top of the tank or something.
Where do you want me to go?
Let's hold this like little choke.
Okay. They have beat, but
What?
What the fuck was that? I'm dead. And help us in, help us in. Oh, you killed him.
What?
What did you get shattered for?
How did I get shattered?
Dude, you're not even in the cone and around the corner. Let's do another nade dive.
Bob está
Up here.
tomando un respiro.
Alright, I'm gonna land a nade. Try to get me up here, Zen. Okay, in the back. Anna
Oh
too,
my
Anna's
god,
hit with
can
that
someone
shit.
heal me, please?
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Oh my gosh,
what?
dude.
You were behind a shield when I was trying to heal you, so it's unfortunate.
No, before. I was like spamming, I need healing.
Okay.
Almost have an extra. God damn it.
looks like they beat
My
it.
bad, I
They
guess.
beat it. Wanna swap off to after
Go
bomb?
run Zarya, go run Zarya.
Yeah. Should I just use my ult? No, I don't want to feed them.
They have a, what's it called? They have a grab.
That was a good nade, by the way. I don't know why that. It seemed like it. Oh, they got cleansed. That's what it was.
Máxima está lista.
Yeah, should've. If
At
you
least the
took
one.
Anna, you probably could've killed her, but.
I thought I went for the. I should have gone for the Zen, I guess. I don't know. Does he have shatter?
Yeah, yep, I got him, I slept him.
There it is.
I got anti, that's a big anti.
Oh my
That's a
god.
big bomb.
Look at this.
Big bomb.
Zarya. Yeah. That was a big bomb. Now go switch.
There's a chase. Oh, you got her. What's up, Bob?
We won because we just used 4 ults.
Yes.
I just antied their
Yes,
whole team,
fucking piece.
unfortunate. Just grab. Oh no, she used it.
Help me!
I
What the
got
fuck?
split.
Increase half.
I couldn't.
Leave it back up.
Three.
It's okay. Regroup. We're kind of staggering.
I have blade almost.
Can we get off, Ash?
Bro, what do you mean?
Chaser's sleeping right here on me. Oh, there's nothing we can do. Just stall. We can get equal time.
Anna's one.
Ryan, just stop. Yep.
Oh, it's huge. Just get some kills.
Nice. What the fuck?
It's huge.
Oh,
Wait,
what
what?
just happened? What just happened?
Our Ryan just carried us.
Yo, what the f?
Did you shatter?
And the Torb turret showed up, I think, as soon as I shattered.
Did you
so it
guys
helped.
shatter? Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, he shattered.
it's nuts. What the fuck? Literally, like, insta-killed everyone.
I think the turret really, like,
They sure has no
Perfect timing.
blanks. She's one. Okay, no recall. Chaser, no recall.
I know shatter. How'd that hit you? The
I
fuck?
got
Oh
shot behind
shit.
the wall.
Alright, nice. Chaser sleeping.
Ah.
Oh, nice. It's fine.
The turret.
Everyone's antied. Oh, I can't get on
I got
camera.
it.
Winnable. Call target.
Run. Never mind.
Run.
Yeah, I never thought we were gonna lose that fight. Like, you know those fights when you're like, you know you're down, but you just like know you're gonna win it.
Yeah.
You have a widow for some reason.
Oh. I think I just ate your nade.
Yeah.
They have grab 100%. I have 30 seconds to deflect.
Alright, we almost have nano. A blade.
Can we get this Ryan to
He's
turn
not-
around somehow?
Can you not him?
He's
Oh,
into
wait,
it.
wait.
He's backing off.
Alright, can you not me now? Never mind.
It's big, but I can't do anything about it.
That's unlucky.
Help, help, over here. Sorry.
Let her sleep, let her sleep.
Do you have a junk?
If trans.
Wait, they
Might
didn't
have
grab
shadow.
that fight?
No, they didn't.
Nope,
Alright,
they
he's
have
he's
it.
deflect.
Probably.
Ryan's really low shield. Hell yeah. They can't do anything now.
Is she behind us?
Nope, I don't see her.
My shield's low though too.
I don't see their Zarya.
I ate it, I ate
Nice,
it.
you ate it, nice.
Nice, dude.
Lucius sleeping.
When's the next turret? Right, Zarya's one. Oh yeah. GG. Thanks, guys.